Hey, what's up guys, this is Roman here, and well, I decided to get into drifting. So I will be using my BMW M3 E36, which is 1999 for that. And you think sometime maybe you practice a little bit, do donuts, burnouts, and sometime on the wet road your rear wheels lose traction and you're going sideways and you're like, yeah, it feels good, give it a little bit more gas. But well, this time I went to the event, so I thought I'll do good, but unfortunately I totally sucked. I did not use main drifting techniques as clutch kick and e-brake entrance. So I was thinking when I will be entering the turn, we'll be power sliding and accelerate like really quick. I was thinking my tires will lose traction with the road, but unfortunately it didn't happen, and I was spinning out all the times, and it probably didn't help. I put 2 brand new tires in my rear wheels and just totally sucked. So when you do something wrong and you spin out, you learn something from it. And unfortunately my car did not do really good that day. My front subframe where the engine mounts actually cracked, and it pushed in the engine a little bit in the front, and the fan snapped a couple of hoses. It was coolant leak everywhere. So I just had to park my car and fix it up, and thank God I drove home. And it was overheating, going back and forth, but I got home safe. So just will be reinforcing my front subframe, and hope you guys enjoy the video how bad I sucked. And till next time, до следующий раз, товарищи.
Mm-hmm.